Matthew 13. That same day, Jesus comot from the house go sit down for Galilee waterside. Many people gather round am, so he enter one boat and all the people sit down for ground near the water. He come use parable teach them many things. See, he get one farmer wey go plant seed for him farm. As he dey plant, some seed fall for road and bird come chop am. Some fall for sand wey get big stone. The one wey fall for sand quick grow because the sand no deep well. So when sun come out, e burn them, and because their roots no deep well, them can't die. Some seed fall for shuku. Them grow come out, but the shuku shook them die. But some seed fall for better ground, then grow well, come bear other seeds. Some bear reach 100, some 60, and some 30. Anybody wey get ear, make e hear. Then the disciples come meet Jesus, ask am, why you dey talk to these people with parable? Jesus answer them, God don't make una know all the secret things about him kingdom, but these people no know. Person wey get something, then go give am more, and wetin he get go come plenty. But person wey no get anything, even the small one wey he get, then go take am from am. Now he make I dey talk with parables say, these people get eye, but them no dey see. Them get ear, but them no dey hear or understand. Now this thing make wetin prophet Isaiah talk happen. Una go listen well, but una no go understand. Una go look well, but una no go see anything. These people no go fit understand. Them no wan hear anything. Them close their eyes, make them no for fit see and hear with their ear. Their mind don't block, so them no go fit understand. But if to say them fit turn come meet me, I for heal them. But God go bless una eye, because them they see well, and una ear, because them they hear word. I tell una true word, many prophets and good people don't wait tire, make them for hear and see wetin una they see, but them no see or hear am. So make una understand wetin the farmer parable mean. When person hear God word and he no understand am, the devil go come thief the word wey them plant for him heart. This na the seed wey fall for road. The seed wey fall for sand wey get the big stone, na person wey hear God word come receive am with joy. But the seed no get root because the word wey he hear no strong for him heart. So when trouble come, he no go fit bear am. The seed wey fall for shuku, na person wey hear God word, but wahala, long trot, and to quick get money for this word, come shook the word die for him heart, and he no come bear fruit. But the seed wey fall for better ground, na person wey hear and understand God word, e come bear fruit wey reach 100, 60, and 30. Jesus come tell him disciples another parable. God kingdom be like when person plant good seed for him land. But for night when everybody dey sleep, the enemy come go plant grass join them. When the seeds grow come dey bear fruit, the grass grow too. So the servants tell their oga say, no be good seed we plant for your farm, na where the grass from come? The oga answer, na enemy plant them. So him servants say, you want make we go root them comot? But the oga tell them, no, if una go root the grass comot, una fit make mistake root some for the good seeds too. Make the good seeds and the grass grow together until harvest. That time I go tell the people where they harvest say, make una first root all the grass, tie and burn them, then gather the good seeds put inside my store. Jesus can't tell them another parable. God kingdom be like mustard seed where one man plant for him land. Now the seed small pass, but when it grow, now the plant big pass other plants for the farm, and different birds come build their house for him branches. Jesus still tell them another parable. God kingdom be like yeast where one woman take bake bread. He mix am with plenty flour, and the small yeast come make the bread rise well. Jesus talk all these things for parable to the people. Everything wey he tell them na parable he use. He do am so that wetin the prophet talk go happen. I go open my mouth talk parable. I go talk everything wey be secret since God create this world. Then Jesus come leave the people enter inside house. Him disciples come tell am, tell us wetin the grass for farm mean. Jesus answer them, person wey plant good seed na God pikin. The farm na the world, and the good seed na God people. The grass na devil children, and the enemy wey plant them na the devil. The harvest na the last days, and the harvest workers na the angels for heaven. Just as them gather the grass burn them for fire, na so it go be for the last day. God pikin go send him angels, make them go remove everything inside him kingdom where they make people sin and break God law. Then go throw them inside fire where no they quench, where them go cry and grind their teeth. Then God people go shine like sun inside their papa kingdom. Anybody wey get ear, make it hear. God kingdom be like gold where them bury for field. One person wey see am, come hide am. With happiness, he go sell everything where he get, buy the land. Again, God kingdom be like trader where they look for better gold to buy. When he see one gold wey dear well, he can't go sell everything where he get, buy am. Again, God kingdom be like net for sea where catch different fish. When the net full, them drag am come out from the water, come sit down, begin put the good fish inside different container and throw away all the bad one. Now so it go be for the day when the world go end. Angels go come separate evil people from the good ones, and then go throw evil people inside hellfire where then go cry and grind their teeth. Then God people go shine like sun inside their papa kingdom. Anybody wey get ear, make it hear. Jesus asked them, "Una understand all these things?" Them come answer, "Yes." Then Jesus come tell them, "Anybody wey they teach the law and he be disciple for God kingdom, go be like person wey get house, come bring new and old things come out from inside the house." When Jesus talk the parable finish, he come out from there. Then he reach in village, come begin teach the people for their synagogue. Them surprise well and say, "Where this man from get this kind sense and power where they do miracle sef? No be the carpenter pikin be this, no be Mary be him mama. James, Joseph, Simon and Judas no be their brother he be? No be all him sisters they stay here with us? So now from where he forget all this power?" So them come they vex for him. But Jesus tell them, prophet they get respect for everywhere except for him own village and among him family. So Jesus no do many miracles there because them no believe him.
This na Greywood whispers, voice when not loud, but get sense.